Hello everyone, welcome to Science Expertise. Today in this video we will discuss how we can check whether an entered year is a leap year or not a leap year. Okay, so firstly I will make a file here, program 617.c, and here I will write my code. Okay, so firstly we will understand what is leap year. So if any year is a multiple of 400, then that year is what? Leap year. So I will write here what? Leap year. Leap year. Okay, or here I will use what? Or. Okay, in or part I will write what? If any year is a multiple of 4, then that year is also a leap year, but at the same time it should not be a multiple of 100. Okay, so I will firstly comment this. Okay, so here if any year is a multiple of 400, then that year is leap year. If any year is multiple of 4 and at the same time it should not be a multiple of what? 100, then that year is also a leap year. Now I will take some examples. So here 400 is what? A leap year. Why? Because it is a multiple of 400, right? Again I will take here 17 is what? 17 is not a leap year. Why? Because it is not a multiple of 400 and also it is not a multiple of 4, right? So 17 is not a leap year. Again I will check this for 2400. 2400 is a leap year. Why? Because 2400 is a multiple of what? 400. Okay, now I will again check this for 96. 96 is what? A leap year, because it is a multiple of 4 and also it is not a multiple of 100. So 96 is what? A leap year. Again I will check this for 100. 100 is what? Not a leap year, because here 100 is a multiple of 4, but at the same time it is also a multiple of 100. That's why 100 is not a leap year. 200 is also not a leap year. Why? Because it is a multiple of 4, but at the same time it is also a multiple of 100. That's why 200 is not a what? Leap year. Here 400 is a leap year. Why? Because it is a multiple of 400. Okay, so these are the few examples of leap year. Okay, so now I will write the code. So here I will write the code, hashtag include stdio.h, and after that I will write void main, and inside this void main I will make a variable n of integer data type, and using this printf function I will display a message on the screen. Enter what? Enter any year. Okay, enter any year, right? And now I will take that year as an input from user using this scanf function, and I will write here what? %d format specifier, and I will give here address of n. Okay, now what I will use here? I will simply use here if else statement, and in f part what I will write? In f part I will write if n here is what? Year. If year modulo 400, if year modulo 400 is equal to 0, then that year is leap year. Okay, and here I have used here what? Odd. So here I will use logical OR, and after that what I will write? I will write if n modulo 4 is equal to 0, and okay, and logical and, I have used here logical and in modulo 100 not equal to what? 0, then that year is leap year. So I will give here parenthesis, and here also. Okay, so you can see here, if any year is a multiple of 400, then that year is leap year. Okay, and if this is not, if these both condition are true, then that is a leap year. Okay, so here in this if part I will write, if this condition is true, then printf what, leap year, right? And if this condition is not true, then what I will do, in else part I will write what, printf not a leap year, not a leap year. Okay, so now I will run this file, and this is the simple program. Okay, and here this is the main logic of this program, right? So this is the program, here it is running in this terminal section. Okay, it is taking some time, please keep patience, and we will check these example. Okay, 400, 17, 2400, 96, 100 and 200 in this output section. Okay, so enter any year, and here I will enter what, 400, and you can see 400 is a leap year. Again I will run this file, and this time I will enter here what, 17, and you can see here 17 is what, not a leap year. I will again run this file, and this time I will enter here what, and this time I will enter here what, 2400, and you can see a leap year, right? I will again run this, and this time I will enter here what, 96, and you can see 96 is also a leap year. And I will again run this file, and this time I will enter here 100, and you can see 100 is not a leap year. Okay, so you can check by yourself, right? And now I will try run this file. So firstly I will take the value of n as 400, and you can see here n is what, 400, and 400 modulo 400 is 0. If we divide 400 by 400, then we get remainder as 0, true. So in here what, this is what, logical OR, and in logical OR, if this part is true, then it will not go and check this part. Okay, so here this is true, so it will simply print what, leap year, right? Now I will check again for 100, and you can see here 100 modulo 400 is 0, false. If we divide 100 by 400, then we get remainder as 0, no. So this is false. So in logical OR, if this part is false, then it will go and check this part. Okay, so here 100 modulo 4 is 0, true. And here what is this, logical AND. So in logical AND, if this part is true, then also this part will be checked. Okay, so here 100 modulo 100 is 0, not equal to 0, false, because if we divide 100 by 100 we get 0, and here what we want, 100 modulo 100 should not be equal to 0. So this is false, and this is true. So in logical AND, if this is true and this is false, then overall this is false and also this is false. So it will not print this leap year, it will print what, this else part statement, not a leap year. Okay, so similarly this program will be executed. Okay, so I think this video helped you a lot. Okay, thank you once again.